Ladies and gentlemen, this is Web3 Bro. So I got this inquiry from someone to do a video on how they can analyze the stock market and trade. So now, what if I tell you there is an advisor and also an auto trader that can help you analyze the stock market and trade for you without you monitoring the market. It trades 5 times in a week, just as forex market. Of course, the stock market opens on Mondays and closes on Fridays. So right now, what you're looking at here is Apple. Okay, this is Apple. All right, so we have other popular stocks in the market. We have Google, we have MSFTI, Microsoft Word, we have Tesla, we have Nvidia, we have Meta, we have Avgo, and many other stocks. So if I click on Tesla, you will see the current price of Tesla is $340. On Apple, different stocks in the market that you can trade. But you don't have to do this alone. That is why I'm introducing vstock.com for you to trade automatically without lifting a finger. So what are you supposed to do? So you look at this place now. You can actually copy trade manually, but that is not advisable because you may actually lose your account. So all you have to do is to come over here to where you see deposit. Before we go on, look at my balance. You have 0.42 because I tested with $10. You can earn 2 to 2.5% daily on your capital every day. So let me show you trade. I'm clicking on trade. Okay, let me show you history. I click on trades. So I've done, this was 22nd of August, just 3 days ago, and this was 4 days ago. So this one did a buy trade and brought in 2.09%. This one did 2.09% as well, and this is a completed trade. I did a deposit of $10 to test the system. So the minimum of amount you can start is $12.5. I will show you what to do. So you now come over here to where you see wallet. Okay, this is a trading balance here. The trading balance I have right here. The next one is tax commission, which this is just so look at the bot here. I'm trading with a bot, and you need a one-time fee of $1.5 to activate this bot for you to trade. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I have a total asset of $10.42, which is 16,672 naira. That's what you need. So you click on deposit. That's how to deposit. Click on deposit. You select minimum amount you wish to deposit. You can start with $12. $12. You can start with $120, $1,200, any amount you want to start with. You can, but the minimum is $10. You get it now? The minimum is $10, and then you can now. I will say $100. Then you now click on select time frame. So the trading time frame, how long will you hold your trade? 13 weeks, 6 months, 1 year. I will recommend 13 weeks. And then you now click on proceed. First of all, enter your deposit, then click on proceed. But before you do this, you must ensure while you are getting started, because I've started already, I'm already trading. That is why I'm not showing this bot to activate. But when you are making a deposit, all right, you will show the bot here to activate the bot, right? So, or you just come here over to wallet and then come over here and click on this place. You activate your bot. You can deposit $100, this 13 weeks, and then click on, and then you can choose to deposit with crypto or bank. If you have a local bank account, you can click on local bank account. I always love depositing with local bank account, and then you can now send. So the money you're going to transfer to this account is $101, which is equivalent to 164,630 naira. $1 fee. That is the $1 fee is what is here. It's here, right here. Okay. You click on copying this place, Vstock Trading Limited. Okay. You copy this, send the money. When you send the money, you now click I have paid, and then you now upload your bank transaction screenshots. Okay. Upload the screenshot, and within a few minutes you'll be credited, and that's good. You'll be activated automatically, and the trading will begin. So tomorrow you will get your first, or today you will get your first payout. Okay, so that's it about the platform. If you want to grow your money more, maybe you want to refer, you can come over here to where you see wallet, and then you click on, this is your link here. This is my own link, right at the bottom here, referral link. This is you copy and send to your friends. Whenever they register and make a deposit, you're going to make 10% from there. And then you can also earn monthly salary for life. In this one, when you register 25 referrals, you're gonna receive $12, $12.50 for every 25 referrals you get. You get 12, 25, 37, 50 till you get to $150 per month. This is what you're going to be getting every month. So that's what is going to happen. And then if you want to withdraw, you click on withdrawal. You can select to withdraw your profit balance, you can select to withdraw your commission balance, you can select to withdraw your trading balance. Remember, you can withdraw your trading balance. Yes, you can. So if I click on profit balance, the minimum needed here is $2 to withdraw. Minimum is 2 for profit of your trading. Then the second one is commission balance. This one is from referrals. Okay, referrals. You have a minimum of $1 to withdraw here. And then when it comes to trading balance, if you click on trading balance, you can withdraw trading balance. But let me show you something. If I click on terminate, it will show me, it will say, are you sure you want to terminate? This section, this action cannot be reversed, okay, cannot be undone. You will be charged 30% for early termination fee. Okay, so you just let it be till it expires. So that is it for the video. It's nothing hard. Just click on the link in the description, register, make a deposit, a minimum of $10 and above. Make sure you have ticked the bot. Make sure this bot is ticked. Make sure while making a deposit, make sure this bot is ticked. All right, so if you are making a deposit of $10, that means you will make a deposit a total amount of $12.50. If you are in Nigeria, you're going to be making a deposit of 20,375 naira. Okay, so that's it about the video. It's very real, it's crazy, it's simple, easy to trade. Just let your money work for you and you'll be fine. So that's it for the video. This is Web3 Bro once again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. We post videos like this always and every day. So just like the video, share, subscribe, and don't forget to sign up with the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.